In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what might be the best room air conditioner you've ever seen, and I say that because it starts with a great design. This thing can literally float inside of a window, and you can even open the window while the air conditioner is in it. But on top of it, it is the quietest air conditioner you can buy today. But even with all that cooling capacity, the cost to run it is one of the lowest on the market because it uses inverter technology. So let's take a closer look at what makes this air conditioner so special. First, let's take a look at what they include in the box. The important thing to remember is everything is in this box. For most installations, you should not need to buy anything else. They've even included some extra screws and brackets if you need them. The company who makes this is named Midea. Now, you've probably never heard of them, I never had, but they're actually a $40 billion company that specializes in air conditioners. And with this one, they took a high-tech design and they split it in the middle, and you'll see why this makes such a difference. They also made another big improvement, and that's with installing an air conditioner. Now, as many of you may know, it's easy to drop an air conditioner out a window, and it can even be a safety hazard. But with this support platform, it's totally different. Installation starts by just opening your window. It's got to be a double hung window. You can't use this on casement windows. And of course, if you have a screen like this, you've either got to pop it out or slide it up out of the way. Now you just need to adjust the platform to fit your window. Now they've made this pretty easy because you just got to slide those brackets around and then insert those pins to the correct position. You can make adjustments until you get that platform completely level. I could have done this next part in the window, but I wanted to give you a better shot. You're just going to adjust the bracket to fit the width of the window, and those little push pins make it really easy. And once it's tight, you can set it back into the window, and now you've got your platform ready to go. Now we're just going to take the air conditioner and we're going to set it onto the bracket. You can slide it around a little bit and make some adjustments to make sure it's perfect. And you can already see that this air conditioner is a very unusual design, but it's not just for looks. You can open or close that window whenever you want. But when you open the window, now you can let fresh air in, but your air conditioner is still in place. And it is kind of a cool design as well. You lose those big accordions that many of us are used to on the sides of the windows. And as you can see, the window cannot close completely, so we do need some filler material on each side of the air conditioner. But Midea includes a special high-density foam right in the box. You're going to need to mark it and cut it, but the good news is it's very easy to cut. In fact, in this case, I just used a regular kitchen knife, and I had no problems whatsoever making the cut. You just have to put the blocks in place and you're ready for a nice tight seal. Now you can install this differently. You can screw things down. You can even use things like boards or brackets to make sure that the window cannot be open. As we power up the air conditioner, you're going to see the first unusual feature, and that's this electronic door or shutter. Now when it's closed, it's great because it keeps the dust out, but when it turns on, it has a special feature called swing. Now if you've ever been in a room with a big air conditioner, it just blows in you the whole time, it can get really cold. But with this door opening and closing like this, it breaks up the air and kind of makes it a little bit more gentle, and it feels more like a natural breeze. Because you don't have those big accordions, you get a lot more sunlight around the sides of the air conditioner. But the best feature of all is this. 45 decibels is the quietest air conditioner that you can buy. And when we put it on its low setting, now we're at almost 41 decibels. This is unheard of for a room air conditioner. And remember, with this design, you can open your window at any time. And this is pretty amazing because if it's nice weather outside but you don't want to run your air conditioner, now you can actually get airflow around the air conditioner, but you don't have to take it out of the window. Features don't do you any good if you can't use them, but the best thing here is it connects to your iPhone or your Android, and you can even talk to it through Alexa and Google Home. So all those features you can actually make use of just by talking or using the Cymbal app. Maintaining this thing is super easy. There's no filters to buy. You just have to pop the grill off once in a while, and this reusable washable filter can easily be removed, cleaned up, and put right back in. I only show you products that I actually like, and when I got this, I didn't think I would like it at all or even think it was a big deal, but I truly believe this is a very unusual design, and with the benefits like noise reduction and cutting your power bill, it's a real improvement on old type air conditioners. So if you're looking for one, this might be something you consider, and hopefully you liked this video and you got to see a new unique product. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already for more videos coming up.